Hey y'all, have you been on Pinterest and seen that crazy thing everybody's making? The Buddha bowls with some quinoa and vegetables? How about today I show you how we make our Mexican Buddha bowl with quinoa and black beans and salsa and onions and limes and avocado. It's amazing! Let's begin. Hey y'all, how about today? Plant-based foodies on. How to make them. Let's begin. Okay, so to begin with, this is, I know like when we make our rice, it's a 1-to-1 ratio in your Instapot. This is a 1 to 1 1/4. So you're gonna take, this is 2 cups of quinoa that I've just rinsed with water. So because I'm using 2 cups of quinoa, I'm going to use 2.5 cups of water. Because normally it'd be 1.25 cups, 2 cups. Y'all can do math. Anyways, and this is like, I don't know, like a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can omit that part if you want to, but salt just enhances things. Now, you're gonna put it on manual, and it's gonna sound crazy, but it takes 1 minute. So you're gonna put it on manual and do it for 1 minute, and then you're gonna let the steam release naturally for like 12 minutes. So yes, it only cooks for 1, but then, you know, just keep in mind that you got like 10-12 minutes of waiting for it to release naturally. So I'm gonna let this do its thing and see y'all in a few minutes. Okay, so after you let it release naturally for like 12 minutes. Gonna fluff it. Yummy, delicious. Now you can top this. You know, this is very trendy. If you're on Pinterest, you see these all over the place. Everybody's making them, and you can top it with anything in the world. Sometimes I cut up some fresh fruit, and we have it for breakfast, the quinoa and some fruit, some nuts, some chia seeds, maple syrup, different things like that. You can top it with any kind of vegetables that you want. Today I'm gonna do kind of like a Mexican bowl. So take your quinoa out. Quinoa is so good for you. It is full of protein, and it's gluten-free. A lot of people don't realize that, I don't think. It has fiber and magnesium and iron, and it's one of the few foods that contains sufficient amounts of all the 9 essential amino acids. So then we have some black beans, which is also another yummy, yummy source of your protein. You know, everybody's always asking, how do you get your protein? You know, we get it from the same place that animals get it. So some black beans for some protein. It also has fiber and calcium in black beans. They're so healthy for you. Just some red onion that I've diced. Add that. Now you can do this. You don't have to do this on quinoa. I don't know why you wouldn't, because it's so good for you. But you can do it on just rice. If you just have rice, you can do it. The other night I made this exact thing, except for I did it on some baked sweet potatoes, just to change it up a little bit. This is some of my corn and tomato salsa. I make it in another video. It's just corn and tomato and a little bit more red onion, some salt, some pepper, and some lime and cilantro. And it's amazing and beautiful too. After that, and then we have some just sliced avocados. I love avocados and things like this. You can make an actual guac, I guess, for it. Avocados, of course, they are also chock full of protein. They also have a lot of your B vitamins, which the quinoa has B vitamins in it too. Protein and iron and, not iron, but potassium and magnesium. Just some more cilantro because I love cilantro. Top it with some cilantro. Some fresh lime on the side. I'm making this for Steve, so we're gonna make it pretty. And then I have, you may be thinking it's kind of plain. So this is some of our cheese that we make. It's in another video. We're just gonna do like a little drizzle across the top. Some cheese. And then this is some of our sour cream that we make in another video. A little drizzle of that. And then just some like hot sauce, which is actually taco sauce, but you know, you can add what you want. And there you have it, y'all. It's that easy. Again, you can top it. Sometimes I make it with broccoli and like asparagus and some more just fresh roasted vegetables. Top it with whatever you want, but it's so easy, it's so quick, it's so versatile, whatever you have on hand. Yummy, delicious, plant-based, whole food, oil-free, quinoa, Buddha bowl. Thank you for watching and subscribing, y'all. Be blessed. Bye.